Let's make product manipulation. Bring a background and adjust it. Take new layer and brush with dark green on background. Bring product in PNG and adjust in big size. Apply mask to remove some parts of product. Take new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Bring coat in PNG and adjust in front and backward of product. Clip new layer to coat and product brush with black too. Give shadow effect. Take new layer brush with black on cow feet. Bring wooden drum and make shadow with brush. Bring wooden trolley and make shadow with brush. Bring another bottle and adjust with main product in trolley. Apply mask on then and remove some parts. Take new layer and brush splash effect on main product. Make copy of splash and place at back. Apply mask to dot. Remove some parts. Thank you for watching.